Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech to AI. Before we begin, let me show you a glimpse of what we're about to create. Wow, isn't that stunning? Imagine turning your designs into something this spectacular, all without expensive photo shoots, professional models, or a huge production team. Yes, it's possible, and I'm here to show you how. In today's video, we're diving into the incredible world of AI to create jaw-dropping fashion show videos. With just a few images of your clothing, you can bring your collection to life, complete with realistic runway walks, dynamic lighting, and that captivating vibe your brand deserves. Whether you're a designer wanting to showcase your creativity, a store owner looking to attract more customers, or simply someone curious about the magic of AI, this tutorial will inspire and empower you to make it happen. So let's dive in, unlock some creativity, and transform your designs into a fashion show that wows everyone. Ready? Let's make magic. So, as the first step, you need to have images of the designer outfits or any of those you want to proudly showcase on your store. I don't own a digital fashion store, and I also don't want to use anyone else's designs. So, I generated some random samples using an AI text to image generator. First, we'll head over to ChatGPT and attach one of our images. Then, provide this simple prompt. Analyze the given image and provide a detailed prompt showcasing a young, handsome male model wearing the clothes in the image, paired with suitable trousers. The scene should depict the model confidently performing a ramp walk at a fashion show with an elegant and stylish atmosphere. ChatGPT will generate a detailed prompt which we'll use to create an image of a model wearing our design. To proceed, click on the link in the description. It will take you to this page. This is the program we'll use. To run it, make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Click on Connect, click on the Play button, and then click on Run Anyway. It may take a minute or two to get everything ready. Once you see this message, click on the provided link. We're now in the AI tool. Once here, let's start generating our model photos. We need to adjust a few settings. First, check Input Image and navigate to Image Prompt. Here, upload the image of the outfit you want your model to wear. Click here, select the image, and open it. Now, select the Advanced checkbox at the bottom, and you will see some additional settings. Change the Stop at value to 0.85 and the weight to 0.99. These adjustments will ensure an accurate representation of the outfit. Next, click on Advanced at the top. You'll see more options. Choose the number of images you'd like to generate. I'll select 4. Select the desired aspect ratio for your images. Under Performance, select Quality. Now, go to Style. Here, you can choose the visual style for your images. Hover over the available options to preview how the images will look and select the ones you like. Now it's time to add our prompt describing the model. Since we already have our prompt ready, copy it from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Generate and the tool will create 4 images for you. Pick the one that best matches your design. Open it in full view and download the image. Now that our model image is ready, head back to ChatGPT and use the next prompt. The image is ready. Now provide a detailed prompt to generate a video showcasing the model confidently walking on a sleek fashion runway. The video should capture the model's fluid movements, stylish demeanor, and sharp outfit details with dynamic lighting and a glamorous audience in the background for a realistic fashion show atmosphere. ChatGPT will provide a prompt for video generation using the image we just created. For this step, we'll use my favorite video generator so far, Hilo AI. Login. Click on Image to Video. Click to upload the image. Select the model image you just created. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Paste it into the tool. Click Generate and wait for the process to complete. The video is ready. Review it. If it doesn't meet your expectations, you can tweak the prompt and recreate the video. For me, this one is perfect. Next, we need to create another video of the model walking back, like this example. Use ChatGPT to generate a new prompt for this. Copy the new prompt. Keep the same image selected and replace the old prompt with the new one. Generate the video. Once satisfied, download it. Repeat this process for all your designs. As you may have noticed, I've already created a couple of videos following this same method. Feel free to adjust the prompts to achieve your desired outcomes. Once all your videos are ready, it's time to add some background music. For instance, you can search Runway Audio in the YouTube audio library and pick a track that suits your video's vibe. Note, if you're using this video on platforms other than YouTube, ensure compliance with the platform's guidelines regarding audio usage. Now let's move on to editing. Import all your clips and start refining. You'll likely need to trim and cut a few sections to make your final video look polished and professional. This is where you can get creative. For me, I'll keep it simple with just a few trims and edits here and there. Once everything is in place, export your video. And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this idea and found it useful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and help it reach more people. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.